Epoxy flooring, nice couple atelier. Epoxy flooring is a popular flooring solution due to its durability, chemical resistance, and low maintenance requirements. The chemical properties of epoxy make it an ideal material for use in a variety of settings, including industrial, commercial, and residential spaces. The main components of epoxy flooring are the epoxy resin and hardener. Epoxy resins are typically derived from a reaction between epichlorohydrin and bisphenol A. The resulting resin is a thermosetting polymer that is highly resistant to chemical degradation, making it an ideal material for use in harsh environments. Hardeners are added to the epoxy resin to trigger the cross-linking process, which results in a strong, durable material that can withstand heavy foot traffic, machinery, and other types of wear and tear. The hardener also affects the curing time and temperature requirements for the epoxy mixture. Epoxy flooring can be colored or transparent, depending on the application. Pigments or dyes can be added to the epoxy mixture to create a specific color or design. This makes epoxy flooring a popular choice for decorative applications, such as in retail stores or restaurants. The low viscosity and solvent-free characteristics of epoxy make it easy to apply with little or no special equipment. The mixture can be applied using a roller or squeegee, and it self-levels to create a seamless surface. Once applied, the epoxy requires a curing period to fully harden and develop its full strength and durability. Stay tuned for the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips, advice, and inspiration. One of the biggest benefits of epoxy flooring is its exceptional durability. It can withstand heavy traffic, impacts, abrasions, and chemical spills without showing signs of wear and tear. Epoxy flooring is also easy to clean and maintain, making it an ideal choice for spaces where cleanliness and hygiene are a top priority, such as hospitals, clinics, and food preparation areas. In addition to its functional benefits, epoxy flooring is also highly customizable. It can be enhanced with decorative elements such as metallic flakes, quartz crystals, or even 3D designs. This makes it a versatile option for any design aesthetic. Overall, epoxy flooring is a versatile and durable flooring solution that offers a wide range of benefits in terms of chemical resistance, ease of maintenance, and customization options. Its chemical properties make it an ideal material for use in a variety of settings, including industrial, commercial, and residential spaces. In terms of hardness, epoxy screeds are comparable to parameters of marble. The surface is perfectly resistant to mechanical and chemical demands, which makes it ideal for bathrooms and kitchens. If you're considering epoxy flooring for your home or business, it's important to choose a reputable contractor who has experience with this type of flooring. With proper installation and maintenance, epoxy flooring can last up to 25 to 60 years without needing to be replaced or repaired. If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel for more tips, advice, and inspiration.